English Grade 3 Lesson 11. Sounds of animals. I move. I am a cow. I quack. I am a duck. I bark. I am a dog. I mew. I am a cat. I buzz. I am a bee. I roar. I am a lion. I cow. I am a crow. I trumpet. I am an elephant. I scream. I am a monkey. I squeak. I am a mouse. Parts of animals. I have a trunk. I have a tail. I have a beak. I have fins. I have 2 horns. Enter the following sentences in the appropriate box. The dogs can't hop. The rabbits can hop. The fish can swim. The rabbits can't fly. The fish can't run. The parrots can't swim. The dogs can run. Answers. Can. The rabbits can hop. The fish can swim. The dogs can run. Can't. The dogs can't hop. The rabbits can't fly. The fish can't run. The parrots can't swim. Meaning. Fill in the blanks. Fly, swim, hop, run. My favorite animal can. My favorite animal can't. My favorite animal can. My favorite animal can't. Answers. My favorite animal can swim. My favorite animal can't hop. My favorite animal can run. My favorite animal can't fly. Name the parts. Trunk, tail, ears, eyes. Name the parts. Trunk, tail, ears, eyes. Write the name and match. Answers.